Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Euclid Mining. So today I was going to talk to you about pirate nodes. I don't know if this is really a review of pirate nodes. I'm just going to kind of go over it briefly, but today I'm going to go ahead and mint an NFT for the pirate node, and I'm going to buy one of the chests on the market, and I'm going to get into this project. Now it's launching in just a couple days, so I thought I'd get into it before it launched and get all these extra bonuses that you get by getting in pre-launch. So let's hop over, let's take a look at pirate nodes and what they are. So welcome to Pirate Nodes. What are Pirate Nodes? Pirate Nodes is an innovative node as service and DeFi as service protocol operating on the Avalanche chain. Our goal is to create sustainable passive income project through cutting edge ideas, implementations to satisfy all users. Being late to the NAAS space has allowed us to take a backseat and analyze what success and failures were past and present projects. We have identified the necessary measures to ensure that we are able to combat the issues that all projects have faced. So basically what they're saying is that they're late to the dance, but they're fashionably late. You know, they've sat back and they've watched what has happened and where people have made bad decisions, or where other node projects have made bad decisions, and they're making a change to that. So we're going to see what happens with this project. This might be a good thing, or it may be like all of the other node projects. But all the other projects, like I said, I got into, they were mid to tail end. So this is the one that starts in a couple days. So I'm going to give it a shot. And here's what they give you. So you can get a rowboat, a sloop, a brigantine, or a galleon. And they cost 1 doubloon, 3 doubloon, 6, and 40. Now let's say launch this tokens worth, I don't know, $20 to $30. This is just speculating, but let's say even at high end, $30. So if you want to get one rowboat, it would cost you $30. If you want to get a sloop, it would cost you $90, $180, and $1,200. $1,200 for the galleon. Well, it's quite a jump, 6 to 40. So. But there you have it. That's what they have. Now what you can get right now and what you can buy after the project launches are these chests. So the NFT chests, and there's the Captain's chest, there's the Bare Bones chest, there's the Siren's chest, and the Poseidon's chest. And for having each one of these, you get you get rewards for it. You get 1.2 bonus. You get 25% off your merge fee discount. You also get whitelist access to Pirate Ship NFT game, and it goes up. So the Pirate is 1.05, and then you get 1.1, 1.15, and 1.2. Now, right now, you can get a chance if you want to mint one of these, and we're going to look into that in just a second. But if you want to look more into this, you can. The roadmap, they have it down here. I was looking at this. It looks like they've pretty much gotten everything done here that they were set out to do. Q2, they'll be releasing, this is not, this probably should have been in Q1. All right, whatever. Maybe this in Q2. Otherwise, look, it looks like they're going to do just fine. We'll see how it works out. This is a shot in the dark. You're taking a chance on these things when you're gambling with them. But Sheldon Tweedy, he's got his own channel. If you haven't seen it, definitely check him out. Sam Thompson's literally developer, full stack agency, and they have a legal advisor. I know that they've been doxxed. Look, you want to check it out and see if you're going to be interested in this. Really, like I said, today's not much of a review. It's really going to be just what I'm doing in this project. So you can go to their white paper right here. So if you want, you can, where'd it go? Mint one of these. So here they are right here. So you can come down here and you can mint one for 2.5 AVAX. Now you have a chance to get the Captain's, Siren, Bare Bones, or Poseidon's chest. And, it's, I guess, a 25% chance on these. Now, I was looking at some prices because there is a website you can check out, NFT Trade. And let me just refresh it. So basically 0.8 for a Captain's chest. And it's 2.5 to mint a random chest. And so there's 4 chests, so you'd have 25% chance for each of them. And I guess the real thought is that, do you want to play the odds of the 50-50? And I say 50-50 because if you go down a little further, you can see that the bare bones chest, the level 2, is 1.68. So still you're under minting one at that point. If you go down a little further and you come to the first Siren's chest right here, you're at basically 5. So you're doubled at that point. And that's the question. Do you roll the dice? Because then after that, you're at 9.75 for Poseidon. So if you have a 50-50 chance, you have a chance to get one of each of the, or one of these two, or one of these two. So obviously, this one would be quite disappointing. I guess, you just have to suck it up if you got the bare bones chest. Yeah, you'd be really happy if you got the Sirens, and of course the Poseidon. What could you say? That'd be the chest to have. So that's the chance you take when you want to mint one. So do we want to mint one, or do we want to just buy 2.5 AVAX worth of chests? And I guess that's the real question right now, because when these drop, when the project starts, which is going to be, like I said, just a couple of days, if you have any of these in your wallet at the time of the start of the project, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get 5 rowboat nodes, so an airdrop. So you're going to get 5 rowboats right here. And when we were looking at this before, 5 rowboats at $30 a piece, would be $150. So and then it goes on. Let's take a look again. So the bare bones, you're going to get 3 sloop, and where am I at over here? There's the sloop. Let's see if I can put this down here. Okay, then the Siren's chest, you're going to get 3 Brigandine, and the Poseidon, you're going to get 1 galleon. So, by having one of these chests, you will get this airdropped when the project launches. But the question, as what I'm asking, is 5 rowboats. So now when we look at the 5 rowboats, here's what they are for merging. 3 rowboats to upgrade to a sloop. All right. So if you had 5 of them, and let's say you instead of going the other route and trying to get mint something and rolling the dice for it, what if you just bought a couple of these instead? You'd have 2.5 to go with, so you could basically buy 3 at 0.8. Now, a lot of these, you can see some people do make an offer, and they do have the option to reject it. Obviously, this guy's offer is going to probably be rejected. This guy's got a decent offer, so he may be accepted. So, I'm just saying 0.8 is a reasonable number. So, you can get 3 of these. So if you had 3 of these, and at airdrop, you were at the airdrop, or at the start of the project, you were going to be airdropped 5. That'd be 15 rowboats. And if you had 15, you can have 5 sloops. And with 5 sloops, you can take 2 of them and upgrade those to the Brigantine. So you would have 2 Brigantine, and you would have 1 rowboat left. And that's what you would have. So really, that's the question. And is it worth to do it that way and get that than it is to, try to mint one yourself and see what you get. So anyway, that's where I'm at. And let's see if I can come over to here. I'm going to see if I could find where I have my... there's the one I got right there. I bought it for 1.5, like I said. And then if I go to the pirate nodes, here it is right here in my wallet. So available to assign. So that's going to be soon. I've already got that one. Like I said, I bought that, and I've got the, I guess this is the level 2 chest. So anyway, I think I'm going to try to mint one. I think I'm going to roll the dice. I think I really am. I've been debating on which way was the way to go, but I think that's half the fun of doing all this is actually going ahead and minting one and rolling the dice on it. So let's hope we get a Siren or we get the Poseidon's chest. I guess we can live with this, but we will be certainly disappointed if we get a captain's chest, because we could buy 3 of those right now. You know, yeah. Or we could get one of these at 1.5 and 2.1 for that. Yeah, you can get one of each of these right now and get 2 chests. Or I can roll the dice and take a chance on getting... Is this like a game show or what? Huh? All right. Let's mint it. I'm going to be as cheap as humanly possible. Oh. All right, it went through. Oh, let's see it. Siren or Poseidon? That's what we're looking for, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's how you do it. Well, that's it, man. I had to jump on for that one. That is amazing. Damn. Well, look, don't just go out and start minting them thinking you're going to get the Poseidon, because that is pure luck. I'll tell you what. I couldn't be more happy to get involved in this project with a Poseidon's chest. The bare bones I bought, like I said, bought that the other day, and man, but you know, you got to figure it out for yourself. You know, which way you're going to go, because when we look at these chests, you know, and you can see they're going for 0.8. Do you want to roll the dice? And I mean, look, I got lucky, but do you want to get 3 of these chests, or do you want to get 1 of each of these chests? And that's basically what it would boil down to. Or you can roll the dice, and maybe you're going to get a Siren or a Poseidon. And that's even crazier. Let's check that out. These are selling for, you know, 9.75. Is the lowest, 9.9, 10. You know, so these are going for almost 10 AVAX. And if we look at that price right now, you know, $774. If I was to sell this right now and not get involved in the project, there's probably a fee of some sort. There's probably, you know, the cost of whatever it is to sell this. So maybe, you know, they charge $100 to sell it. I have no idea exactly, but you know, even if you walked away with $500, you know, to get the AVAX to do it, you know, would be almost $200. And if you walk away with $500, you're going to get $250 profit right there. Which you could then turn around and, you know, buy those 2 other chests that I was talking about to the beginning, you know, and buying 3 of the captain's chest. You know, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to go forward with it. That's just dumb luck for me. You know, this is dumb luck. So I'm going to roll with this one and see where it goes. But that's really going to be the choice for you on which direction you want to go. Wow. There it is. That's something. And if you haven't checked out their Discord, I definitely recommend you getting over there and checking that out. Really been helpful. I've had a lot of questions because I am still relatively new getting into this project. So I've had a lot of questions. They've been really supportive. There's always people online helping other people out. So definitely check it out. They've got a lot of great reading in here as well for the announcements, the roadmap, white papers, and any of their links. So definitely check them out. That was amazing. Give me a thumbs up for that Poseidon. Listen, if you haven't subscribed, that button's right over there. If you want to check out any of my other videos, I'm going to have one up for you over there. I appreciate you checking in. Thanks for watching.